So first things first is to go down to the link in the description to the GitHub page for the Pandora program and download the suitable file. So I'm on Windows, so I download the exe file. This will allow us to connect to XBins without using the IRC, using an IRC client. So just once it's done, extract it all, and then double click on the program. If Windows complains, then you can just tap on the more info or click on more info, and then you can press run anyways, and it should start up. So on the left sidebar, I recommend clicking on desktop for the place where we will download our files, just for simplicity, and then on the bottom left you would press on the connect button and wait for it to connect. Then on the right hand panel you would double click on Xbox, console based applications, BIOS, and then Cerbios. And then you can double click on the latest version and then right click and then press download, and that will download it onto your computer. You can see the progress on the bottom left. And also, if you go back to your desktop now, assuming everything is working, then you can now see it. Now I would recommend for you extract it, and then now you can see all of the files. Go to the second link in the description and then double click on the XBE file for XBlastOS and then download it. I would recommend for you to save it onto your desktop as you have for all the other files for easy access, and double check that it's there. Plug in your Xbox with its Ethernet cable and then open up your favorite FTP program. So I'll be using FileZilla here. At the top left in FileZilla, at least you input in the IP address of your Xbox as shown on the bottom right of Unleash X, and then type in the username and password, which is Xbox usually. Then go to your E drive and then go to apps, and what you want to do is copy the XBlastOS.xbe file into that folder. So on FileZilla, you'd right click and then press upload, then wait for that to transfer, then go back to the main screen here, and then go to your C drive. Now here you want to delete any old Cerbios INI files, so here I will delete it, right click and then delete. Here I should have also deleted the boot animations, but I did that off camera or off capture, so you should delete that as well here in this step. Then on the left you want to double click on the Cerbios files. After that you should go back to your C drive and then see if there's a BIOS folder with a bios.bin file. If there is, then you should delete it. If there isn't, then you should make a folder with that is named BIOS, and then you can upload the actual new Cerbios file into that BIOS folder in the C drive. Go back and then go back into your E folder, and then what you want to do is upload the new folder, Cerbios folder, that includes the .ini file and the boot animations, and wait for that to transfer. Now back on the Xbox now, we want to launch XBlastOS. So to do that on Unleash X, we want to open up Unleash X's file explorer, then go to the E drive and then open up your apps folder. Then you will want to scroll down until you reach the XBlastOS application and press A to start it. You'll reach this screen, press right arrow key and then press A, then go all the way down to flash menu and then go down to hard drive flash, and then you should see your new Cerbios file. And then you can hold down right trigger, left trigger, start and white all at the same time, and now it should flash the new Cerbios BIOS file. And after that you should be all good.